Okay, here we go. On number 6. Number 6 is x is not in the argument. Where is the x this time? In the base. So it's x to the second equals 4/49. How do you fix these? Square root both sides. X equals 2/7. Ooh, he caught it. Plus or minus. Now, why is that? Why did that happen? Because I took the square root of both sides. Isn't anybody going to argue? You got a twisted look on your face, yes? Yes. Aha! I can understand. The voice was very faint, but it's because this is supposed to be here, right? And can I have a negative number there? No, I can't. And so he was actually wrong. Even though he was right, he was wrong. But no, he was right to notice it. But then you got to notice that the negative actually doesn't work. So then it's just positive 2/7. All right. It's a good chance to remember that. All right, so let's sum it all up. Why? I need your attention. Why are we doing logs in the first place? Because we were trying to ask or answer this question. When you don't know what that is, just like if it's 25, it'd be really easy. It'd be 5 squared, right? When you don't know what the answer is to this kind of a question, an exponential, then you can write a log for it and figure it out with your calculator. Or so there's other just tables and stuff, but realistically, you'd use a calculator nowadays. So you go log, what? Base 5 of 30 equals, and how do you do that on the calculator? Log 30 over log 5. So when you see this on the SAT test, just use logs to solve it. Okay, you got to remember to connect logs with exponents. That's what these are here for. Okay, so final answer is I think you've learned enough now that you're going to be ready for this quiz. Final answer for this one would be whatever log 30 over log 5 is. Did somebody figure it out? Some decimal. 2.1-ish. Anyway, do you have any more questions before we stop? All right, then. Today's new stuff was just a little bit new, almost all review. We would normally be taking the quiz tomorrow, but we are not going to be taking the quiz tomorrow. If we were going to do that, we were going to end up 2 days ahead of the other classes, and we were going to also, unfortunately, have to assign you 3 worksheets today, which would have been kind of brutal on just an average Thursday. So we're just going to do a little less. We'll back off, and your class, to be honest, just was doing awesome on the last little quiz we did. You did best out of all my classes. Congratulations. But so bottom line is you guys probably could have taken the quiz tomorrow and been all right, but you'll be just as smart when we take the quiz the day after that. So that also frees up some time to hand back tests and that kind of stuff. I guess I don't need to be recording this anymore.